Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Notion on your Android phone. All you have to do is open up the Play Store, guys, use a search and simple type in Notion. Once you type in Notion, you will be able to search for it. You can install the Notion app on your phone, and this will only take a couple of seconds to really install on your phone. It's about 85 megabytes, so that should take just a few seconds, less than a minute to install, and you just need to wait for it to quickly download and install on your phone, right? So as you can see, it's done. I'm going to open it up. You will be asked to sign in, and so you want to choose whichever option you want, whether that's going to use single sign-on for your company, your personal email, Microsoft account, Google account, which is your Gmail, or an Apple account. I'm going to choose, for example, a Google account right here, and simple choose my preferred email address to actually sign in. Now, as you can see here, I've selected my email address. I'm just going to wait for it to sign me in. And within a few seconds, you will see that it gets everything ready. Now, as you can see, it signs me in. I'm going to just simply click on next, 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 and just simple get started right here. And it's going to turn me right in. You can choose if you want to set up notifications. I'm going to say do not allow for now. But that's it, guys. That's the Notion app. And you can start using it right away. Very easy and very simple. It also has the Notion calendar there, so you can choose if you want to basically add the Notion calendar as well. You can download the app. But that's it. Very easy and very simple.